Home remedies for nausea. If you have experienced nausea, you know how some home remedies for nausea would have come in handy. Nausea treatment can actually be quite simple if you prepare yourself. Especially if you suffer from nausea frequently due to your health, or maybe you have a system that gets upset easily. Remember that nausea is a symptom of something else that may be going on in your body. It could be a reaction to an illness that you are unaware of. I experienced this myself. I could not figure out why I suddenly had nausea all the time. Turns out that when I finally went to the doctor, I had pancreatic cancer. The point is, please see your healthcare provider if you extreme or frequent nausea and you haven't in the past. Some symptoms of nausea could include stomach pain, dizziness, sweating, watery mouth. Some of the causes of nausea are heat stroke or overheating, dehydration, car, boat, plane, etc. Motion sickness, morning sickness from pregnancy, stress, side effects of chemotherapy or radiation treatments, drugs, alcohol, overeating, food intolerances, dairy, yeast and wheat products, or sugar could be likely culprits. Illnesses, cancer, gallstones, depression, pancreatitis, depression and others. The way to deal with nausea is to have some home remedies for nausea available to use. Try different ones to see how it works for you. Try taking 1 to 2 tablespoons of non-carbonated syrup every 20 to 30 minutes. You can make this with a sugar and water solution or a non-carbonated soft drink. Take a couple of ginger root capsules. These can be found at health stores and online. You can also make a tea with fresh ginger and drink it at regular intervals. As you can see, ginger and the products associated with it are great for nausea. Another thing to try is vomit. Your body wants to rid itself of whatever is upsetting your stomach. Sometimes that will solve your nausea problem. Peppermint or chamomile tea might work also. For pregnant women that have morning sickness, the above home remedies for nausea might help. Here are few more suggestions. Try 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with 1 tablespoon of honey mixed with cold water and drink before bed. A few teaspoons of wheat germ mixed with a cup of milk and consumed every hour for a few hours might help. Or try 1/2 cup of rice boiled in 1 cup of water for about 10 minutes and drink the rice water after draining the rice. Slowly eating saltine crackers has also been known to help. Some other home remedies for nausea are: try taking 1/2 teaspoon of ground cumin seed. Use pressure points to try and ease the nausea. Place the tip of your right index finger on the underside of your wrist about 1/2 inch in from your hand. Apply moderate pressure for 2 to 3 minutes. Pressure points are very small, so you may have to try more than once. Try a cool compress on the back of your neck. Once you have eased your nausea, or to prevent nausea from occurring in the first place, there are things you can do in your diet to help prevent nausea. Eat foods high in fiber and in small amounts. Foods like bananas, rice, applesauce, toast can help. Avoid oily and spicy foods, and avoid junk foods. Eating more fresh fruits and vegetables will also help. Nausea is no fun. There are not too many other conditions worse than nausea to deal with. These home remedies for nausea should help, but don't wait until you are feeling nauseous to have something on hand. For me, ginger in all the different forms discussed earlier works the best. But to help prevent some of the diseases that may cause nausea, supplement your diet with mangosteen juice.